Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a line of sight of my brand new race quad. So let me just real quick run down the specs on this, guys. So this is my own custom frame, the Seth PV neXus by Tiny's LEDs. For the motors, we have the Brother Hobby R6 2207 1750 kV. We have the Gemfan 5140 9.9 Hurricanes. We have some race wire on the front, race lights in the back. For the ESC, it's a Power Drone 4-in-1. Flight controllers, the White Noise FPV Synergy with a TBS Crossfire and a TBS V3 VTX. The camera has a Fox Seer Predator version 4. The antenna is a Lollipop V3. And then for the battery, we have a Tattoo R-Line V3 6S 1300 120C battery there. And once again, this is my race build for the 2019 season here. Let's go ahead. I have this guy tuned on Betaflight 3.5.7, and the ESC is running 48 kilohertz and automatic timing. That seems to work the best for me. I don't know how well you can see them at all, but I do have pink race wire, race lights on the back. They're the LEDs that go in line with the motor, and the more current you draw, the faster or the brighter they are. So hopefully you can tell this build just flies really, really nice. Oh, almost pushed my hat right off. This guy has so much thrust. Let's come over here for a full speed pass. Wow, that was not in shot at all. Hopefully that one was. And we actually tested this on a half-mile horse track. And with this V3 R-Line, the quad did the half mile in about 17 seconds, which is averaging almost 106 miles an hour. So it probably tops out about 115. Of course, that's just rough estimates using distance and time, no actual radar gun or anything, but that's what we have. Try and get a funnel. Pretty windy out right now. Trying to bring it closer. This V3 R-Line just really puts out the current. And this one has about 8 cycles on it, so it's not even brand new. Alright, I don't want to kill the pack. Forgot to start my timer as usual. So, there we go. Oh, the pack is not even warm. The motors are pretty warm. They're not hot, but it is about 80 degrees out right now, so definitely a little bit acceptable. I have to do a little bit more tuning for that, as well as that was a lot of sort of unrealistic FPV racing with the types of things I was doing. But yeah, that's going to be it for the line of sight of my brand new race build featuring the Seth PV neXus. Once again, my custom frame for the 2019 season. There'll be a link down below. Best way to support me is if you're interested in racing and you want to pick up the frame, go right ahead. So yep, links in the description to all the parts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, as well as, right before we go, I'll leave a link. I did a build video on this exact setup, so that'll be in the description as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.